So basically, I'm on Zapier and I wanted to show you how to create basically a funnel in which, or you would call it an automation workflow, in which you won't have to actually, manually post stuff on your, let's say, Instagram or LinkedIn accounts. This basically is a tool. Zapier is a tool in which you can automate these things. So you can just create like a workflow and link all your accounts, and it would basically take all of that and create and post whatever you want to based on the workflow. So you won't have to do it manually. So I will go and create a Zap. So this was the basic homepage, and now I'm on creating a Zap page. So basically, what you can do is I'd already shown you in another video that I've already posted. I think it's been a month since I posted it, so you can take reference of that. I will attach the description of that in the comments down below. So I'll attach it in the description, and this is basically the uh, whole automation workflow that I had created. So basically, I had sent the prompt to ChatGPT that give me the prompt to paste this in Zapier Copilot in order to recreate this whole automation workflow from scratch. So basically, this is basically what I had to copy. So again, I copy this and basically just use the Copilot, so you won't have to actually do anything. Copilot would do all the steps for you. You just need to connect your accounts and basically just check for different things. So basically, now the Copilot is thinking and testing an outline for your app. So once that would be done, I'll show you. So yeah, you can see it has added everything, all the steps in order, and I would click add all steps to the app. So just by one click, you can see that all these steps have been done. So now I'll show you how you can just basically complete all these steps. So basically, new YouTube video and channel setup. I have to set up my account YouTube. So that's Style Navigator. So I'll click here, and yes, I will choose this and allow. Okay, so now my account has been connected. Trigger event we would set as new video and channel, right? You can also check from all of these things. So our event could be this is basically the first step. That is the trigger. That's the main trigger that would cause all the other steps to run, right? And channel, basically you have to enter your channel ID. I've shown you this. So I'll go to YouTube channel ID. So the channel ID, you can see this is, I copied this and I'll paste that ID here. Then I'll move on, continue. Once I've done this, then close Copilot. So once I've done this, I would move on to test the trigger. So it would check for a new video in YouTube channel. So yeah, it has been tested. So the latest video was exploring sensible section. Yeah, this was the one I uploaded. So continue with select record. Now we move on to RSS by Zapier, create item and feed. This is the only thing. So I would create that item and feed URL. I'll feed in the URL. So let me open RSS by Zapier. So Tile Navigator RSS I already created, and I've shown you how to create your feed in RSS. So you just need to sign in again, sign in with Google, and then once you've done this, uh, you'll basically be able to see your feeds that you have created. So my feed is the YouTube Tile Navigator. So I will just copy this part, and paste this link here, not here, here. So I would just paste this link here, yes, and that's it. And then feed title, you can call it anything. So I will use the YouTube channel. Then max records, you can choose to be anything. So it's generating suggestions. You can max records you can set as anything. Let me see. 50 is the max, but this allows you to reduce the number of items. So yeah, let's just put in 50. And then item title again. You can add the new video title. And I think these are the only things. Automatically truncate messages, yes. No, we don't need that. And all these things, you can check these out. Then content, yes, you can place basically the description. So you paste the description here, and I think that's it. Then you want to continue, and finally you test this app. So it is failing because our feed has already, your trial has expired. So what you would need to do is uh, basically what you need to do, you need to manage your whole accounting again, right? So what we can do is we can just remove this RSS by Zapier. We won't need this because I don't think anyone visits RSS, so we can delete this. So yeah, ready to delete. So now we move on to formatter by Zapier. So what do we need to transform? We need to capitalize. And what do we need to capitalize the first character? We need to capitalize the title. So that's it, and then test the step. So this is a pretty basic one, so this would pass for all the cases. Then we continue and then we move on to Facebook pages. So let me sign in into my Facebook account. So that is for that navigator again. So yeah, Facebook account, I will reconnect. It does take some time, but you just need to connect your accounts and fill in the configure steps. That's it. Page, you will choose. I've created the page Tile Navigator, career guidance, and psychometric assessments. Photo, you can add for basically the thumbnails maxless URL. So maxless, if you see anyone anywhere. So let me see. You can choose the maxless default. This is thumbnail, yes. And then description, you can add as this description that is already given in your YouTube description. So I'll copy that. So basically the description I'll copy and continue. Then test the step to send a page photo to Facebook pages. So we'll check if this passes, if there's a tick mark, and if it doesn't, okay, yeah. So basically it passed, so tick mark is been received. Now we move on to LinkedIn. So we need to create a share update and accounts I'll connect. So I have two separate LinkedIn accounts. So this one is the account here, and I would sign in. So this one is Navigator, my different account. So I will sign in using this. So for the first one, you seem to have floated away for some reason. So I'll basically what I need to do is I need to select again. Okay, so it has already been selected, so I'll move on. And now comment, enter text or data. So I will add the title here. I'll add basically the YouTube URL. and the description in this line itself. So I'll add the description. And the content title I would add as obviously the title that I have in the video. So let me choose the title for you. Yeah, title, and then here in the description you obviously have a description. So let me just choose this. So you choose the description, and DE I'll remove. Then content image URL, again you have to use the thumbnail's maxres URL. I've already written this, so maxres URL, this one. And then content URL, you basically paste the YouTube URL. So URL, youtube.com URL, that's it. And then continue, and then test the step. So if the share is successful, it will give you a tick mark. Yes, it is. So the same thing we have to do, and we have to share, change this account. So we will basically, this is the LinkedIn Talent Navigator 2. So we'll basically, what we'll do here is change this account and connect a new account. No, I don't think we need to connect a new account. We just need to change it to Talent Navigator 1 and continue this. So this is Talent Navigator 1 and this one is basically Talent Navigator 2. So we have done that. And then comment, again the same stuff. You just need to add title and description. Again, your content title, you have to just add the title, and then description where you can add your description from your, so the description. Yes sir, this is the description. Then image URL, again you have to choose the maxres URL. So this is the maxres URL, and the content URL is basically the youtube.com URL. Again you add that, and you are done with this. Then test step again. And finally we'll move on to the send channel message on Slack. So we have done that, and then finally we assign it to our Slack account. So this is the step, this is our final step. So yes, we will allow, we have allowed, and okay, so our account has been connected. Then we move on. Channel, we have to select all Talent Navigator. I created my Slack channel. That's also that I've shown you how to create a Slack channel for your account. So message text, you would obviously add your description. So title first, and then your description. Then we move on to bot name or something. So yes, obviously Zapier, bot icon. All these things are not necessary. Then test this step. So once this has been tested, your whole run will be successful. Then you publish it, and that is it. Then your Zap will go live. So whenever your trigger, that is the new video on YouTube channel, would be running. Basically, whenever you upload a new video to your YouTube channel, then it will reflect on all of these things. That's it.